Well, according to Google Maps, I only have 6 hours of drive left. I think I can handle 6 hours. I'm in a lot of pain, but 6 hours seems doable. And I just crossed a border. God, I can't remember which one it is now. I don't know. If you're not impressed with this, allow me to explain what you're looking at. All of the dark surface down below in this valley is it's lava. So basically the ground just opened up and earth began spilling its guts out onto this valley floor and filled it. It's lava as far as you can see. All the way up to those mountains off in the distance. It's a really, really interesting place. It's beneficial, I think, to really think about what it was, or to maybe picture it when it happened. Like, can you imagine? I don't know what the ecology of the area, if it was dry, but I would imagine it was literally a valley of fires. This whole place would be in fire, you know. Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to Chasing Light. My name is Nathan. I spent a second night at the Valley of Fires in New Mexico, the recreational area. Last night we had some massive thunderstorms come through, and as you can see behind me, there's actually a rainbow and the sun's coming up. I thought it was supposed to continue raining all day, but I don't know if it's going to. Yeah, so the plan today is I'm going to be making the final 1 hour, 60 miles or so over to Bosque del Apache Wildlife Refuge. And I might actually be pronouncing that incorrectly. I'll let you know when I get there and talk to somebody. My primary goal here is the wildlife at that refuge, and then I'm going to do some wandering and do some exploring around this area to find some more landscape stuff, not wildlife. So, but yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and hopefully this is one kick butt chase. Well, I took the tour, the guided driving tour. It was about 3 hours driving through the entire wildlife refuge, and I got I don't want to say it's bad news, but the refuge is not the same as I'm used to seeing it. So whatever is driving all of these weird weather patterns we're having, it's caused the sandhill cranes and the snow geese to they're not here. I've never actually seen quite this low of a population of wildlife on the refuge. So when we actually stopped and opened up the side door on that tour, it was silence. So yeah, I got some thinking to do on how I'm going to proceed. And I'm at my campsite. You can like the amenities I have. If you call sagebrush amenities, I have a lot of amenities. If you do not consider sagebrush to be an amenity, then I don't have any amenities. so you can use your imagination on where my toilet is. Anyway, all right, so yeah, first day down, and sun's going down, and I got some thinking to do. Surprise, surprise. When all else fails, you go up to the visitor center at Bosque del Apache Wildlife Refuge, and in the back there's a little desert arboretum, and they got some bird feeders, and it's a really good place to watch hawks try to kill birds. No, it's something spooked them. I don't know what it was, but it's a good place to think. And I gotta do some of that, because I gotta figure out what I'm gonna be doing. I don't foresee myself staying too terribly long. I'm just getting skunked too much, and I'm okay with getting skunked, but there needs to be opportunities, and there something's going on, whether it's if it's climate change or what it is, but there's not enough here to work with. So I'm gonna, I gotta make the hard decision to uproot and try to find something.